Advay, and today I will tell you the different type of joints that are in a human body. So, without any further ado, let's start. The first type of joint is the hinge joint. So basically, for the structure, the bones join together like door hinges. So the hinge joints are present in the elbows, to name a few, fingers, knees, and toes. And they allow movement in one plane only. The second type of joint is the ball and socket joint. The end of one bone is shaped like a ball that exactly fits into the end of another bone, which is hollow, and it produces a socket-like shape. So basically like this. The location of this bone is in the shoulder when you rotate your arm like this, and the hip when you rotate your leg. So this joint allows movement in all directions. Like when you rotate your arm, it allows movement in all directions. The third type of joint is the pivot joint. So one of the bones ends in a conical way, and it fits into a dent in the other bone. So this is present in the neck. The skull is attached to the neck by this joint, and this allows movement in up, down, side, side. So it's only present in the neck. And the last type of joint, last but not the least, the gliding joint. So basically the bones are flat and they can move or glide against each other. This joint is present in the wrists, the ankle, and between the vertebrae of a spine. So basically the vertebrae in a spine are like the 33 small bones that make up the spine. And this joint allows movement on the sides as well as backward and forward. So this was the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel, Young Scientist. Until the next video, bye!